यूपीएससी में कॉपन क्लाइमेट का मतलब सिर्फ लेटर्स ए बी सी रट्टा? अगर हाँ तो प्रीलिम्स में एलिमिनेशन फेल। सबसे पहले माइंडसेट क्लियर करो। क्लाइमेट और वेजिटेशन यानी सिर्फ टेम्परेचर नहीं, रेनफॉल पैटर्न, सीजनैलिटी एंड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन भी डिसाइड करता है क्लाइमेट टाइप।
कोपेन का बेस लॉजिक।
क्लाइमेट को 5 मेजर ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया गया। ए, ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय हॉट कंडीशंस एंड हाई रेनफॉल। बी, dry climate is defined by evaporation being greater than precipitation. C, warm temperate climate experiences mild winters. D, cold temperate climate is marked by severe winters. E, polar climate is characterized by permanent cold conditions. UPSC loves A, B or C types, especially India-based questions. India का Köppen map. AM or tropical monsoon climate is found along the Western Ghats and in northeastern India. AW or tropical savanna climate covers most of peninsular India. BWH and BSH or hot desert and steppe climates are found in Rajasthan and the Kutch region. CWB or subtropical highland climate is observed in the Himalayan foothills. UPSC trap. The same temperature does not necessarily indicate the same climate. Rainfall timing matters more. A shift in the monsoon is a signal of climate change. याद रखो, the Köppen system is based on the logic of rainfall, temperature and vegetation. Now let's discuss some PYQs based on this topic. UPSC Prelims 2015 में पूछा गया था, Which one of the following climatic types is characterized by hot wet summers and mild dry winters? Check the options on screen. Yes, correct answer is option C. Tropical monsoon या AM climate has short dry winter and very high summer rainfall, typical of Western Ghats and Northeast India. नेक्स्ट PYQ जो कि 2020 UPSC प्रीलिम्स में पूछा गया था, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग कोपन क्लाइमेटिक क्लासिफिकेशन। 1. It is based only on temperature. 2. Vegetation is used as an indicator of climate. 3. It helps in identifying monsoon-dominated regions. Which of the statements given above are correct? Check the options on screen. Yes, correct answer is option B. Köppen classification uses both temperature and precipitation, and vegetation acts as a climate indicator, especially for monsoon regions. अगर तुम्हें ऐसे letter based UPSC traps, map linked climate logic and concept to PYQ conversion एक ही जगह चाहिए, log in to UKey और geography के toughest topics को prelims ready strength बना दो।